Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a freezer deep clean, and I'm going to inventory everything, throw out anything I need to, just get a better understanding of what I have in here so I can plan my meals ahead easier, since I'm trying to continue to just shop my own pantry and freezer and all that stuff. Try my best not to bring much more into the house. Obviously, I need a deep freezer, but maybe it's a good thing that I don't, because I can only imagine what it would be like if I did. And I am just separating, I'm just writing like one page. I had just vegetables and fruits and just random items, and then a page for meats, and then I have a few freezer meals in here. I think only like 3 or 4, so I had a page just for those too. I love salmon. My daughters will like it too, or my oldest does, but I don't think anybody loves it as much as I do. My husband's not really a seafood fan, but I keep those in there for myself. I guess I just tossed a bag of baby carrots in there one day, just freely. I don't remember. I don't know what it is with me and just the bags of frozen chicken breasts, but I think I have like 5 bags in here, one of the tenderloins. But it's like, once I found out that the Instant Pot, you could use frozen chicken, like I just wanted to keep it on hand in here because it's just so simple. Don't have to worry about it having to put it in its own little bag and freeze it if you don't use it all, which now I think we go through chicken where I don't have to do that as much. But I love those bags of frozen chicken breasts, and when they go on sale at Kroger for like $4.99 a bag, I usually get a few. I also had 4 freezer meals, or the freezer meals that I mentioned that I had put in here a few weeks ago. I don't know, maybe a couple months ago, who knows. But got 2 of salsa chicken, I believe, and 1 Moroccan chickpeas. I think I was just getting creative with a couple of cans of chickpeas I had that was just sitting there, and I found that recipe and had all the stuff for it. So I still haven't been brave enough to try it. If anybody else has had that and liked it, let me know. I guess you just put it over rice, but we love the salsa chicken for tacos. And then I have a taco chicken up there too, just taco chicken soup. Pretty basic, but I'm gonna try to get those into my meal plan soon too. And those bags of frozen meatballs are so nice. Sometimes just wanting a quick spaghetti and meatballs, don't have to worry about making them homemade. Don't like browning up the meat. You can just toss those in some sauce and simmer them, or now I use them in my pressure cooker, but it takes about 4 minutes with a whole jar of sauce, and they're perfect. And we also like meatball subs a lot. Haven't made those in a little while. Need to do that again, but it's another favorite of ours. And this is my 2-year-old son's favorite berries. That's what he calls them. But of course I have to feed them to him. He can't feed himself, because if anybody has ever had frozen blueberries before, you know what a mess they are. It drives me crazy. But all my kids love those, so I think they've kind of worn themselves out on them lately because they haven't asked for them as much, but got a big bag. And this is actually some of that crack ranch chicken that I made the other day. It's in one of my videos. I am going to make something, I think next week I'm going to finish that off, but do something a little differently with it. clearly I have plenty of ground beef. Don't need to buy that for a while. I also think I have like 6 pounds in the fridge too that are good for at least the next couple of weeks, I think, are the dates on those. So I'm trying to get those done so I can not have as much to put in the freezer, but we'll see. Wish me luck. Okay, so all these bags of the berry medley was not intentional. I had a couple of them in my cart for a grocery pickup at Walmart recently. And I also had, I think, it was one with peaches, mangoes, and pineapples or something. I don't know. But they were out. So they substituted for those. And I was just like, whatever, it's fine. But now we have all these berries in here. And my daughters don't like berry smoothies because they get in their teeth. And I don't mind them. But I've only got a couple different smoothies that I'll use or make. So if you have any good smoothie ideas with that, be sure to let me know in the comments. Took me a minute to remember what this was because I didn't label it, but for some reason I decided to dump half of a can of kidney beans and black beans together in the freezer, and I didn't rinse them. So I guess when they thaw, I'll just thaw them out and then I can rinse them after. But once I did it, I was like, well, that was a terrible idea. I don't know about y'all, but I love broccoli, and there's so many recipes I can use it in or just for a side. And I'm always amazed by Walmart having those bags for $1, because anywhere else before I started shopping at Walmart, Kroger has the bag of the florets. It's like $3 for one bag. I don't know. Usually I buy a couple of these every time I go to the store, but I've been using so many lately, which is good, I guess, because I don't have any room. But I was surprised, honestly, to find that I only had 2 in there. And those rice cauliflowers have been in there forever, but it's because I couldn't get to them or see them, which is the whole point of this. And now I'm just going to get all like the vegetables and fruits and all the random things up on that top shelf and kind of get ready to get all the meats down in the bottom. I hope I have inspired you to clean out your freezer as well if you're in the same boat as I am, and if so, be sure to leave a comment. I'd love to hear about it. And these are just, I guess, little bags of carrots that I had chopped up once upon a time, within the past few months. And black beans. Forgot about those too. So now I'm just going to start getting all that random just trash and crap that's at the bottom of that basket for I don't even know how long. And all that mess. I'm going to clean all this out and then I'm going to wipe it. Oh yeah, the sausage biscuits that was in there in the very bag. My kids are going to be really excited about that. But yeah, I'm going to just clean all this out, get all those peas and, like I said, whatever else out. Spray it down and scrub the very bottom. See on the front where it's like discolored. I don't even know what all that is. I don't even know how a freezer gets so nasty. And hopefully I'm not alone in that. Let me know if your freezer is also incredibly neglected like mine is. It's just something that's easy to just open up and, just forget about. Now it looks so much cleaner. They're so satisfying to me. I love a good before and after. And now I'm just gonna get the basket back in there and play Tetris with all this meat to get it all back in there, which honestly I think I did a pretty good job. Everything fit in there pretty perfectly. I don't know if I could fit anything else at all in there, but that, like I said, it's probably a good thing. I need to get to using some of this stuff. So if anybody has any recipes that they want to share with me with frozen chicken in the Instant Pot too, or with rice cauliflower, it's another thing in there that I've had forever. I just don't necessarily know what to do with it. Just let me know. And thank you for watching me clean out my nasty freezer. And if you liked my cleaning video, like and subscribe to my channel. I've always got recipes coming and grocery hauls, and I plan to do more videos like this because I really enjoyed it. I like a good satisfying cleaning video as well. So anyway, like and subscribe again if you liked what you saw, and have a great day.